phela ngiyezwa la estradini mshaye ngibuza ukuthi hayibo kushaywa bani lo muntu lo oshaywayo la ngaphandle ulo mfana lo benhlale kibo ngithi mina hawu ushayelwani bathi no cause la sekuyapatrolwa kunama CPF so labantu laba patrolayo bathe mabamsearcha bamthola bekaphethe school bag benezinto ezijontshwiwe nezinto zokugcekeza then nesibam so angazi nokuthi bekwe setoy or isibam samampela na but bathe mabathola lezi zinto bathi how many times sikutshela ukuthi siyapatrola and the reason ukuthi sipatrole siyazi ukuthi wena nabangani bakho niyasigangela so indlela emsebenzini eranking kumele ngidlule ngase stradini sasekibo so but ngiyabona ukuthi la akuna like into ekhombayo ukuthi i-crime scene maybe because ayithi bathi bamshisele lapha ya but ayikho into ebonisayo uclean umama wa the deceased uthi yini enibulale umntanakhe wena nepartner yakho emateksini ngizwe umuntu uyangithepha bangangithepha athi kunjani ngithi ngiyaphila athi uPrecious ngithi ubani wena ufuna ukwazi ukuthi nguPrecious excuse me athi phela dala sisi ngikufuna ngifuna ukuthi uhambe uyokwenza statement and ngifuna neaffidavit hayibo affidavit ngithi ungavela ukukhuluma iqiniso ukuthi uzongibopha
Sanibonani Mzansi, and welcome to another episode of the Hope Revolution podcast. I'm your host, Nomcebo Agayaga, your sister that is always available to listen to your story and engage with you. In this podcast, we provide a platform for open discussions on various challenges and experiences that are unique to both men and women. And if you are new to our channel, please do not forget to subscribe and switch on that notification button so that every time we post the new content, you'll definitely be the first person to know about it. So today in studio, as you all know, that every week we are joined by a special guest that will come to our studio and share their story. So today we are joined by a beautiful lady by the name of Precious Hoza. So I'll take the camera straight to her so she can tell us more about herself and her story. So what is this?
All
right.
You're right.
How was the trip?
Yo, ngilahleke.
But at least you got here.
Yeah.
Ngiyabonga. To people who don't know Precious, who is Precious?
Precious intombazana ebuya eThembisa. Ngikhulele eThembisa.
All right.
eIvory. From primary to high school.
Okay. So ukhulele eThembisa your whole life. All right. And how was impilo while growing up ekhaya?
Ekhaya beku-right. Bengingana problem because bengiyi-1 kumama until ngaba nama-siblings ngo-2003 ama-20. Then nje khuliswa umama ayi-single parent azama until saze saba badala njengoba ngimngaka.
What are the few things ozifundile umama being a single parent? Because sebana bazali, there are things that we learn ukuthi okay makuso kuba so nami as mangikhula ngiba nezingane zami, these are the things I want to change empilweni yami. So while you had umama that was a single parent, what are few things adoptile to your life and saying ngifuna ukuyiphila so impilo yami?
Ngifunde ukuba strong, ukuba independent.
Yeah.
Guye cause ubaba washona bengina 2 years.
Okay.
Yeah, so nje ngisho ukuthi ngifunda ukuba strong from kumama cause bengibona ukuthi nanoma inzima impilo but
Yeah.
besichubeka loka azama ngendlela azama ngayo.
Yeah, because somehow siyafunda. Yeah. Please take us through your story ukuthi yini ekuletha la ekhaya today.
Istory ngizonisharela sona. 2022 bengihlala nepartner yami. Okay, besihlala from another section khona ngale Ivory. Okay, masihlala from that section samuva because bekahlala ekibo. So bekuyimo osebenzayo ngathi ngoba manje at least sekunemali engenayo endlini. How about simuve sifune like indawo eweyithu samuva. Okay, masimuva samuvela to another kithi manje i-Ivory ihlukana ngamazone ukuthi la kusema 14 kusema so ngabumvela to that side. So la besimuvela khona okay sathola i-room sahlala zange kube nenkinga. So umntana wala besihlala khona umntana walapha okay ngizobe ngichazele kahle. Lo mntana bekuwumntwana ukuthi uyaganga bema drugs and stuff. So kwenzeka ngelinye ilanga bengingekho nepartner yami bengekho endlini. Wafika lo mfana wafika wagcekeza. So makagcekeza wathatha izinto bezisendlini, ifurniture, ama TV yonke into nje neimpahla. Kanti next door kule room besihlala kulo besine neighbor like umakhelwane wethu akithi ama room ahlangene. So umakhi njengoba ahleli uyambona njengoba ngena nabangani bakhe. How mangishayisa mina ngibuye emsebenzini mangifika hayibo endlini kumoshakele. Ngibuza ukuthi hayibo kwenzakaleni ngikhuluma nje ngi1 vele ukuthi ngithukile ngishocked ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Aphume lo bhuti lo omakhelwane. Athi hayi sisi umuntu ongenile la umntana kaMastandi. Yabo. Ngithi mina umama wakhe beka kuphi? Athi umama wakhe bekangekho. So umama wakhe umuntu vele ozivukile ekseni azile emasimini abuye late. So kanti ngisakhuluma nalo bhuti angena umama. Makangena umama ayi ubhuti asisho istory ukuthi hayi phela umuntu ongenele labantu umntana wakho yabo. So mina ngimbuze ngithi manje lo owala endlini ngibuza ipartner le yami ukuthi ukuphi lo owala endlini athi no uphume athi uya epolice station. Okay uphuma athi epolice station ayi ngithi kudala yenzekile lento le athi I think say nabo ma 30 minutes yenzekile because mina ngishayise early emsebenzini. It's okay ngithi ithi ngimele how angene vele makangena uguy uzavele namaphoyisa. Makaza namaphoyisa uyas explain na istory because akithi uyo ofike ekucala kunami wabona ukuthi wenzakaleni endlini. Abachazele amaphoyisa athi ay umama abese kancenga ukuthi ay ngicela ningamvuleli icase ngizozibhadala lezi zinto azithathile umntwana. Okay this guy that time I think bekanabo ma 33 yena lo bekasimoshele. So makathi uzozibhadala athi amaphoyisa ngoba umama niyambona ukuthi umdala ngicela nikhulumeni like as nabantu abahlala endaweni eyi1 nibone ukuthi angeke nize ne solution because umama excuse me uthi uzozibhadala. Then if akuna agreement noyithu nizovula icase nizophinda nibuye epolice station futhi but uzovula icase because that time weza nabo akazange avule icase because ngathi bekafuna abakhulume naye abambuza ukuthi zikuphi izinto. Okay ahamba amaphoyisa mawahamba sale sithi kumama mama ne ungazibhadali because umntwana umthumanga ukuthi agani. Kungcono thina simove out. Ay kube neagreement vele ukuthi ay month end sizomove. It was bekuyi second week ka March angisakhumbula idate. Okay fiki month end ngihole sithuthe. So masithutha simuvele to 5 streets away from la besilala khona. Masifika lapha asithola vele ijaridi le right kunomthetho ama rules igate liyakhiwa ngo9 akuna up and down. Sesithukile manje ukuthi ngathi le section esize kuyo kahle ay ngathi isafety ayikho la. So masifika kulelo jaridi mabasitshela ukuthi no la khulekani yonke into nje kusafe igate liyakhiwa akuna up and down asifuna umuntu onabangani abaningi sibone kwindawo eright sihlale vele singabi ne problem. Fike zithi April makufika uApril bengisemsebenzini langa la khona mangisemsebenzini hayibo I think it was I don't know ngathi bekuyiviki le angikhosho ukuthi bekuyiviki le Good Friday or but it was April mangibuye emsebenzini it was bekuyi load shedding kuyi load shedding ngiyabona ukuthi hayi man kumnyama estradini but abantu kune group nje ye community like babambe i-meeting izinto ezinjalo hayi ngibadlule mangibadlula but ngiyazi ukuthi kuneras bayakhuluma but ukuthi bathini angizwa ngizikhathalele ngizidlulele ngizile endlini okay mangifika endlini ngihlale mangihlala endlini ngithola ukuthi my partner sekabuyile vele ngithi and then that time he wasn't feeling well bekagula cause ngathi bathi akahlale like endlini angazi nokuthi bekane corona na cause ngathi iviki la khona ngathi akahamba eclinic so ngoba beyangafuni vele clinic beyangayifuni azangayi so bekahlela endlini ashayisa elahlala endlini akahlala endlini ngithi hayibo phela yazi la estradini kuneras athi kuneras ngithi how masuka cause I think bekusemakuleni makusemakuleni kanjalo udlula estrade from amakula udlula esinye estrade then lesesilandelayo ngena kwesethu la besihlala khona ngithi mina because kuse load shedding akunagesi and ngikhathele asambe siyofuna something to eat siphume masiphuma hayi phela ngiyezwa la estradini mshaye ngibuza ukuthi hayibo kushaywa bani athi mshaye usile lo so mabakhuluma so ngithi mina kulo and yazi ngiyizwile le group le njengoba bengibuye emsebenzini ngizwile nje but I thought ukuthi maybe indaba ye meeting ukuthi igesi cause bekunabantu bebangana ama transformer lapha yana ngizitshele lokho mina ukuthi okay indaba ye electricity I didn't think ukuthi maybe babambe I meeting yokuthi sekunomuntu ozoshaywa sibuye masibuya masingena nje eceleni kwejaridi la sihlala khona la ngasegatini bambambile lo mfana nakhona simboni because kumnyama but siyazi ukuthi why bamele usitshontshele izinto ezinjalo yabo hayi singene ejardini sidle masidla sithi siyalala ngo10 igesi ibuyi mayibuyi igesi ngo10 how sisa after 15 minutes ngene umntana kaMastandi wala siceda ukufika khona intombazana athi hayibo yazi lo muntu lo oshayayo la ngaphandle ulo mfana lo benhlale kibo ngithi mina hawo ushayelwani bathi no cause la sekuya patrol kunama CPF so labantu laba patrolayo bathe mabamsearcha bamthola bekaphethe school bag benezinto ezijontshwe nezinto zokugcekeza then nesibam so angazi nokuthi bekwesetoy or isibam samampela na but bathe mabathola lezi zinto bathi how many times sikutshela ukuthi siyapatrola and the reason ukuthi sipatrol siyazi ukuthi wena nabangani bakho niyasigangela so ke kusho ukuthi ke bachubeke bamshaye ngithi mina how manje mabamshaya bamsa kuphi yabo athi no bamshaye bamisa kuwo wonke lama section shoot like bebamhamba bathi akakhiphe abangani bakhe labaganga nabo so bathi until aze abamshisele kibe egedini ashona ngithi mina hayibo ushonile like I couldn't believe okay ekseni ngiyavuka as usual cause ngathi it happened on Thursday ngiyavuka ngiyemsebenzini njengenjwayelo mangiyemsebenzini hayi so indlela eyemsebenzini eranking kumele ngidlule ngase stradini sasekibo so but ngiyabona ukuthi la akuna like into ekhombayo ukuthi I-crime scene maybe because I get bathi bamshisele lapha ya but ayikho into ebonisayo ku clean yabo ngiyemsebenzini mangiyemsebenzini on ichubeke vele iviki lichubeke ngisilibele sizwa ama rumors ukuthi no phela umama wa the deceased uthi yini enibulale umntanakhe wena nepartner yakho at first ngayithatha as a joke because nginalento ukuthi hayibo kanjani because bengingekho lapha ngithi hayi mina ngihleke ngithi xazi abantu bayathanda ukukhuluma izinto abangazazi of which bazoyenza ngathi iqiniso ngithathe as a joke until ngelinye ilanga ngishayisa it was Tuesday ngibuye emsebenzini ngireceive i-call receive i-call ngifonelwa umastandi beyangahlala la behlala abantwana bakhe la but bekunobhuti omdala ogade ijaridi angifonele makangifonela athi how precious ukuphi ngithi no ngisendleleni ebuyayo eshayisayo why athi ngicela ujike ngithi ngijikelani athi ngicela ujike because ceda ukusuka amaphoyisa la ku roomini babophe ipartner yakho babophe umuntu wakho bathi uyafuneka banibophele imeda yo as that day ne kwangathi nje ngathi vuleka mhlaba ngingene ngathuka ngaba nenye shock ngaba nama mixed emotions ngingazi ukuthi ngikhale or ukuthuka benga understand ukuthi wenzakalani hayi ngithi mina ayikho lento ngitshela yona athi ngithi reason ngikufonele ngithi ngicela ujike it is because ngiyazi ukuthi anenzanga next so manje ngicela ujike wena because akithi wena abakutholanga buyele emuva okay athi and the reason ngikujikisa lamaphoyisa mawafika awafikanga in a good way as bazokwenza umsebenzi oyi-one wabo ufike afuna ukumshaya afuna ukushaya umuntu wakho afuna ukumshaya ukuthi yadelela nawe kumele ufe so angisa understand ukuthi amaphoyisa or kwenzakalani so ngicela ujike okay ngijike ngithi ngitry ukufonela ifamily yakibo because igama likaGayi Kevin Mudawu ithi ngifonela abantu bakibo ngifonele vele abantu bakibo vele kube yibo ukuthi baya e-police station okay ngathi bathi mabaye e-police station babajikisa but bazombona e-court then ke waya e-court makaya e-court wa-applyela i-bail bamdinaya i-bail how inyanga ziyachubeka ngiyalibele before that ngireceive i-call the very same week aceda ukuboshwa mangireceive i-call le call engireceive umuntu wakhona athi ngikhuluma no-Precious na ngithi ngibengisemsebenzini la ngala khona so ngacela ukuphuma early ukuthi ngicela ukushayisa early so makabuza ukuthi uPrecious ngithi yes nguPrecious athi ngiyazi ukuthi uzoya eModaphi namhlanje uyobona uKevin so before uye eModaphi ngicela uqale la e-police station njengoba uzocala la e-police station ngifuna i-statement sakho senze ne-affidavit then ngizokhapha mina eModaphi ngeven yomsebenzi ngemoto yomsebenzi I was like hey uzongikhapha because eModaphi I think ama-visiting hours aphela ngo-12 ngaboma-1 mangizocala e-police station uzongishaya ngesikhathi so uzongikhapha kanjani yabo azangiye ngathi hayi angengikhone ngizophinda ngibuye mangibuya eModaphi ngizoza lapho hawu zidlula inyanga mind you ngisahlala la ngihlala khona akithi anginale yanto ukuthi ngi-suspect or ngi-wanted but ayikho into ethi shift move lapha because you didn't do anything nginaleyo nto leyo ngahlala I think ngihleli sashelwa i-transformer ngihleli I think more than 3 months singena electricity ngihleli lapha yana nginalento for i-safety yami and I didn't do anything I'm not even worried ukuthi maybe bangangibuyela and I'm not hiding angibaleki ngihleli hey kwenzeke it was October October ngibuya it was Saturday being off langa la khona okay pregnant lapho I think benginabo ma 4 or 5 months not being 5 months if I'm not mistaken pregnant ngibuye it was Saturday yanyanga emsebenzini i-29 zika October ngidecide ukuthi okay ithi ngihambe ngiye eshop, then from there ngizokhipha imali ngigibele ngePitori because umama mhlala ePitori. Ngithi hayi ngizobona umama ePitori nabantwana, umfana nentombazane sePitori. So ngithi hayi ngizobona bona ePitori. Yazi ne ngisaceda ukuphuma erenkini. Before that kube nomuntu ongitshela ukuthi phela kunomuntu osebenzisana nale phoyisa and le phoyisa leli liyifamily. Okokuqala kithi mina ngibaza abantu bakuleyo section. So bona bayazana because ama neighbors bakhule bonke and they are from abanye ngathi babuya from elokishini.
Okay.
So mabangitshela ukuthi phela le phoyisa leli liyifamily, I was like nina namanga yabo. I think I problem yami ukuthi mabangitshela something is serious bengayithathi serious. So ngithi mina hayi le phoyisa mangaba liyangazi why lingeze endlini because eroomini lami ngibaleke and if kufuneka isuspect i-wanted akithi kumele bangigogodele nango2 ebusuku maybe bangithole la ngilele khona, or if yangifuna kumele aze emsebenzini la ngisebenza khona. To my mind nginaleyo nto leyo ukuthi hayi ayikho lento abayishoyo ukuthi le phoyisa liyangifuna until it happened. Lingibamba erenkini lingibamba i-taxi rank escore ngithi ngizoya ePitori ngezwe ngumuntu angithepha. Mangimbheka luckily bengihamba noma stand wami athi ayithi ngikhaphe. Before ngizoboshwa the very same month kaSeptember ngadecide ukuthutha because ngendaba ye-electricity ukuthi okay bese ngena gesi. Ngadecide ukuthutha ngathi hayi yithi ngithuthele la kwenye section la ema13. Okay, lapho ngiceda ukufika umastandi athi asambe ngikhaphe because nami ngifuna something yabo. It's okay asambe. Hawu sisesendleleni erenkini masifika ngikhipha imali ngisemateksini ngizwe umuntu uyangithepha. Maka ngithepha athi kunjani ngithi ngiyaphila athi uPrecious. Ngithi ubani wena ufuna ukwazi ukuthi nguPrecious? Excuse me athi phela dala sisi ngikufuna ukuthi uhambe uyokwenza statement and ngifuna ne-affidavit. Hayibo affidavit ngithi ungavela ukhuluma iqiniso ukuthi uzongibopha. Ngaba naleyo nto le because manje sekazi introducer as our detective. Ngithi okay mo detective i-affidavit yapi? Angali umthetho angwazi but i-affidavit yapi? Why ungasho ukuthi uzongibopha na? Once vele usho ukuthi hayi u-under arrest. Hawu masichamuka ngibone imoto yakhe bekayifihlile vele kusho ukuthi bekalibela angilandela so bekafuna ukubona ukuthi ngiyophelela phi kanjani. Okay sigibele emotweni mastandard ngiyakhapha sigibele emotweni. Okay masigibele emotweni singene masingena emotweni sifike epolice station Goniwe bangifake eselini vele. Bangifake eselini bangifaka noma stand wami abakangibopha kithi just ukuthi nje bayangifaka nje lapha ya holding cell not la phakathi. Bathi siyabuya sisayolanda lo mama. Okay masiyolanda before bangibophe angivulele i-statement i-docket ukuthi i-statement salo mama sithini. Ngithi mina angiyazi mina lento ayishoyo. Athi yazini into ezongisiza ithi ngiyomlanda la khona hamba yomlanda vele abuye naye. Makabuya naye lo mama afike athi ngifuna enze parade ukuthi yimi lo muntu athi ngiuye na. Vele makafika lo mama athi bambuza ukuthi mama ubani umuntu othubulela umntanakho akhombe mina vele lo mama athi ulo. Yeah that day I felt ukuthi umhlaba wami uyaphela.
I'm sorry. So clearly you felt as if uboshelwe into ongayazi vele.
Yeah, I couldn't believe until it happened ukuthi kama mpela ngiyile suspect bathi ngiyo. Okay bangihlalise emaseleni. It was Saturday. Then sengiyacala ngithi ngiphethe ifone abaka ngisi ngale phakathi. Okay, ngifonele umama ngithi ayi mama phela sekuninkinga so ithi ngitransferele imali. Mind you ngibreadwinner endlini. Benganamuntu osebenzayo and kunabantwana le. Ithi nginifakelele imali at least nikhona ukuthenga ukudla yabo. Then enye esalayo ngizobona ukuthi ngenza kanjani because to my mind I thought ukuthi hayi njengoba bangibopha kaningi bathi mo first time offender like mocala ukuboshwa ungakazi uboshwe ama chances ukuthi uyaphuma nange free bail nginaleyo nto leyo mina. Hayi okay ahambe umastandi bamkhiphe ngithi ngicela ningiletheleni vele ama slippers like because bangibaba ngavele ngizigcokele ama flip ama chap ngithi ngicela ngiphatheleni ne jacket because angazi ukuthi because vele it's obvious ukuthi ngizolala la. Okay umastandi ngisale ke mangisala bangifake ngale emaseleni yo hazine ngalala emaseleni ngipregnant ngilala estubhini. Ingubo zakhona zingcolile nje itoilet yakhona ingcolile. Okay zathi Sunday Monday saye court. Masifike court okay magistrate vele wasibona ke wasibona. Mesibona magistrate wathi ngikunikeza 7 days of verification of address. So le 7 days ngiyohlala kuphi Sun City ngiya prison ake ngithola ibail. Okay ngiye prison so mina prison ngitshela ukuthi okay kufana nala ngibuya khona emaselini until vele safike Sun City yo Johannesburg female prison. Azi ngathi mangibona leza ikhiya bangibona abantu ababoshiwe lapha hey ngaqala manje sengiba netrauma ukuthi yo this is happening kamampela. Hayi basifika vele bathi hayi sinisa bathi hospital I think la ban admita khona ba check everything if umuntu ogulayo nani. But before that baqala bayan search kulaba sikhumula vele saba naked senza ama frog jump bayasicheka ukuthi asifihlanga amafoni asifihlanga like into engamelanga ingene phakathi lapho ngafila ngathi bangiviolate because remember ngipregnant so mozocala ukwenza izinto ezinjalo ngafila ngathi baviolate ama rights wami. Sahamba saya eselini okay masiye eselini yo it was worse lapho ke bekuworse ukudla kwakhona I spent the whole month ngilibele ngecourt bapostpone ngecourt bapostpone until May 24 I think it was 24 25 angikho bengise court mangifika ecourt magistrate wathi upostpone la to e29 ngagula ngisesela ecourt like ngahlangana ngabakenye indlela so thina abafazi bose court emuva abanihlalisi abanifaki emaselini phakathi nihlala la ezitulweni then laba bamadoda ababoshiwe bahlala phakathi babakhiyele so kanti njengoba ngihlangana so uyangibona like my partner uyangibona ukuthi hayi lo muntu lo akekho right man uhlangana atshele usiso sebenza lapha uyiphoyisa ukuthi no lo muntu lo akekho right imbizeleni iambulance lo sisahali. So the guy ukuthi lo muntu lo upregnant wala ukubiza iambulance why i-right yakho ukuthi umbizele iambulance until bayibiza vele mabayibiza iambulance mayifika mabangicheck bathi emergency kumele aye esibhedlela angeke akhona ukuthi abuyele back to a prison kumele aye esibhedlela ahamba ngaye esibhedlela mangifika esibhedlela bangihlaba ama-injection weshoko bangihlaba injection yeshoko banginikeza medication nani then udoctor wabhala ukuthi no lo muntu lo manje escorta kumele asebenzise i-private car because bengigibele evenini so athaka bengigibele evenini bengihlala emuva so bengihlala nabanye and mabayi-driver nje yabona ukuthi hey la akusindlela ukuthi like udriver ngathi kudriver amakhabishi kahle kahle because bebengayidrive kahle so athi akumelanga ahambe ngemoto amaphoyisa kumele ahambe nge-private car and umuntu akumele amthathe ile phoyisa leli elimbophile limlanda from a prison to court from court to prison at first mangingatholi bail iphoyisa because from the first day ngiboshwa ngasebenzisa illegal aid so i-lawyer le legal aid mayingitshela ithi no reason ungatholanga i-bail ngelanga lokucala uya e-court it is because iphoyisa li-oppose i-bail yakho njengoba lenzile nakulo uKevin so nakuwo u-opposile uthi li-threat to the family okay so i-threat to the family so manje njengoba udoctor sekabhalile into ayibhalile kwenzakala ukuthi kumele angithathe angise e-court aphinde angisuse from e-court angibuyisele e-prison so uthe makabona le phepha leli Friday yakhona it was Friday bengiye-court azange ngibuyele e-court ngabuyela emaselini egoniwe ngihleli from Friday Saturday Sunday Monday ngilala esimendeni akuna ingubo ukudla kwakhona nje so yadla but akusukudla kungadliwa umuntu pregnant okay on the 29 mangibuyela e-court iphoyisa lithi mangibuza iloyo ukuthi manje kwenzakalani ngendaba ye-bail because since ngi-applyele i-bail bayi-postpone athi reason bayi-postpone manje iphoyisa kumele libhale i-statement ukuthi why sekayivuba i-bail because ekucaleni walile ukuthi ngingayitholi but ngoba lo kudala ahleli since icale waboshwa yena a-applyela i-bail angazi ukuthi bayibiza lento leyo but they said ukuthi side isikhathi ahleli lapha phakathi and nama-investigation akuna postmortem akuna investigation like akuna evidence ephelele so kumele aphume while iphoyisa lihlanganisa i-evidence hayi mase ibuya futhi i-lawyer okay singene e-court bakhulume then bathi basinikeza i-break sophinda sibuye futhi hawu mangibuza iloyo ukuthi manje why bathi sophinda sibuye athi ngoba manje sesi-argue ukuthi angeke sikhona ukuphuma soyithungela ngeli-1 because ecaleni bathe kumele kuphume uKevin so angeke kukhonakale so wena it's either wena uphuma manje then uKevin uzophuma ngoFebruary 2023 okay athi but leyo kumele ni-discuss niyi-2 okay uKevin yena ekibo bambhadalela i-lawyer okay from aqala ukuboshwa they were paying i-lawyer okay then sikhulume noKevin athi no angifuni ukuthi utholele umntana phakathi ngcono uqale kuphume wena kuqala then kuzolandela mina hayi ngiphume vele then ngigcine ngithola i-bail but mangithola ngithole of which imali then bangibhadale leyo mali engibhadalayo then ngiphume banginikeze ke namalo ukuthi angisondeli iduzane nefamily the deceased nani izinto ezinjalo angihambi angiphume out of the country like those rules okay ngiphume mangiphuma ngiye endlini mangifika endlini ngihlale anti hey but after that mangiphumile zonke lezi zinto ezibuya from prison seziyabuya manje akithi manje sengiphumile sengikhona ukucabanga kahle because lapha phakathi it's a matter of survival
Yeah.
because manihleli ku trial nimixwa nabantu ukuthi omunye vele ubulele vele
Yeah.
and uyavuma ukuthi hayi mina vele ngibulele omunye mina ngenze 1 2 3 1 2 3 so nje ziningi izinto ezenzakalayo lapha phakathi and uma uthi uyababheka nalabantu abanye bakhona uyabasaba ukuthi hey lo muntu lo uyambona vele ukuthi hayi so after that zezibuya zonke lezi zinto sengiyacabanga ukuthi future yami imoshekile just like that. I'm thinking about my kids.
Yeah.
If sengithatha my mind ngiyibuyisa kwi reality ukuthi this is reality kahle kahle and yeah
Excuses. Ngiyaxolisa ngakho konke. Masibuyela emuva after nimuva in from the first time nimuva in kuleyo ndawo leyo. Did you know ukuthi umntana kaMastand uphila what life or it's something eniyithole senihlezi phakathi?
we didn't know
You didn't know.
because sizwe vele ngama-neighbors ukuthi lapha phela akunabacashi ukuthi yini noyi-2 eniceda ukufika and sifike the same month but sishiyane ngamalanga na this guy so bekuyithi soyi-2 basitshela ukuthi no umntana kaMastand uyaganga Mastand naye akekho right uyammela umntana so lento ukuthi asifuni ukuzwa abantu ukuthi bathini
Yeah.
angeke simjudge because simbona makavela uvela kumuntu ohumble like umuntu right so azange sibe nayo lento ukuthi sithi hayi vele baqinisile until it happened until ize yenzeke vele ayenza lento yakhe ayenzile.
But uMastand after the whole situation antshontshela izinto umfana uMastand obvious wathi uzozibhadala because bekangafuna aboshwe.
Yes.
Mara were there any signs ukubonisa ukuthi she's trying to resolve this whole situation?
No. Bewangekho ama-signs
At all.
Bewangekho. Angazi ukuthi bewangekho because thina yithe sithe no ungazibhadali or bewangekho ngoba vele she didn't care angazi. Angazi angeke ngimkhulumele.
So after nithi niyamuva ikhona imizamo yokubhadala into. Okay, I know ukuthi nimstopile, right, from paying the things, but sometimes maybe kuba nalento leyo ukuthi ay man ithi ngibanike something, you know, ukuxolisa ukuthi my son did 1 2 3. So even after you guys moved, she never bothered.
She never bothered.
Umfana, did she try to apologize?
No, akazange apologize. And since from there, azange siphinde simbone. Azange simbone until sezwa the lady umntana kaMastand lo besiceda ukufika khona ukuthi no lo muntu lo last week bamshayile bamthole antshontsha ibhandi kamakhelwane. It was around 12 emini bamshaya so akezwa so the time sebazombamba futhi it was the second time bamthola
For a different incident.
yes.
So makwenzakala konke lokho while you were at work and your partner waboshwa, there was a time akufonela this gentleman from the police station to say ngizokulanda to write a statement and Were you given the chance to provide your own statement ukuthi kwenzakaleni?
Esami provide mangisecourt.
Only.
Yes.
So they've never took a statement before they even arrested you?
Yes, they didn't. Azange basithathe. Ngahlala until sebafika bazongithatha ithombe nama fingerprint. Sebavula idocket official ukuthi I'm under arrest.
So masibuyela back to the whole situation. So no proper investigation was done because I believe ukuthi maybe kuzoba ne-investigation angisho yenziwayo like witnesses and everyone. So azange balokhe beza maybe ask people around ukuthi what happened.
Ngikwazi kwami ngathi azange beze. Ngathi azange beze because ecourt ama-witnesses abakhuluma ngawo bayi-3 of which yibo ifamily kuphela like ama-neighbors because beng-expect ukuthi okay if kunama-witnesses kumele kuze abomakhelwane bakhe because i-statement esikamama uthi thina mina nepartner yami yithi esishaye umntanakhe mina ngamgwaza ipartner yamshisa bese samshaya naye then sashisa ifurniture yakhe ama-couch, TV, plasma TV, zonke nje lezo zinto lezo. So akuzange kuziwe like azange iphoyisa lize I felt ukuthi alizange lize lenze like the proper investigations libuze like abomakhelwane ukuthi okay labantu laba mabashisa lo muntu umzameni wenzile nina yini like akithi umakhelwane mobona kwenzeka something wrong kumele at least try ukuthi ufonele amaphoyisa because even the deceased bathi ushonele esibhedlela so bamsusela ngemoto bamise esibhedlela benginganamaphoyisa on the scene ama-neighbors mawasho la bebabe khona ababona everything bathi benginganamaphoyisa on the scene azange eze amaphoyisa nje umama nje bathi wazithathela umntanakhe futhi nakhona before amthathe wamiyeka because azange ashone like same time and nokusha kashanga like full body washa nje iside eli-1 kancane umama ke ngathi wamcima umlilo then but wasuka umama ke wawalka from Ivory to Emakhulong ayolanda ubhuti wakhe
which is the policeman.
I don't know ukuthi omuphi because bayi-3 bona mabeza unomntana akho mfana office akahlali lapha uzihlalela kwakhe so wasuka walanda ubhuti wakhe umama yena walanda ubhuti wakhe umalume wa the deceased ngathi wamsusa from Emakhulong weza ngemoto bathatha the deceased bamisa esibhedlela so azange kube nomzamo ukuthi maybe kufonelwe i-ambulance ifike on the scene or kufika amaphoyisa.
But what surprises me is that okay maybe uyitnessile wayibona bamshisa because as the person that told you asho ukuthi bamshisele gateini, right? But what I find strange is that nina kanibonanga.
Uthi usibonile.
That's what she said.
Yes, uthi usibonile. Uyamuzwa uthi yithi uthi uPrecious noKevin. Two people.
Yeah.
Abashise umntana bamshaya. Kusho ukuthi masenza this whole thing. The neighbors they were watching. Bebabukele, they didn't do anything. Abafonela ngamaphoyisa. Makasho yena.
Yeah, it's a tricky situation because at least you know when you have in the surprise is that they didn't even give abantu a chance to be witnesses or what. Already umama uhambe in a statement to say this is what happened, these are the two people.
iphoyisa lafika lathatha abantu abayi-2.
Yes, iphoyisa lafika lathatha abantu abayi-2. So how has this whole situation changed you mentally, especially mentally, because the power is in the mind, esikhathini esiningi? Ikuchange kanjani? Because it was the first experience ongakaze ungene kuyo, uyakwazi ungena ejele, and especially for something you didn't do.
Yeah, young breaker mentally, because the way ngizazi ngakhona angisumuntu othanda ukulwa. So angithanda ukulwa, I'm very sensitive.
Yeah.
And ngulo muntu ukuthi mangibona umunye umuntu ezobhlungu ngiyayifila leyo pain. So yangishintsha because kwafika to a point ngifuna ukuzibulala and I was pregnant. Banga-admita esibhedlele, bangisa kwi-social worker, ngabona i-psychologist, then kwaza i-psychiatrist to check if angiguli na. Then yangidiagnosa ukuthi hayi une-depression. Then bengi-medication e-depression, but still namanje ngifila ngathi impilo yami imile, like I can't do anything. And manje always ngiba worried ngabantwana bami ukuthi what if ngiyaya ngiye court ngingasabuyi.
Yeah.
Because ngifila ngathi i-justice system iyasifeyila. Ngifila ngathi angazi ukuthi ngizothi ifeyila mina or ifeyila umama, because umuntu ozobuhlungu umama because uyolahlekelwa. But kubuhlungu because upointa abantu aba-wrong. So angazi ukuthi ngizothi ifeyila bani ukuthi soyi-2.
I think with her uhlanganisa i-incident eceda kwenzeka, and then kundlula few days or few weeks, then sekuyenye, you know, sometimes maybe into ukuthi ufuna ukuyixolisa inhliziyo ukuthi maybe vele they are part of it, kanti ingane yakho uthola ukuthi igange la until ingene ekhayeni abathi no thina angeke sikiyeke, you know.
Yeah.
I'm sorry ukuthi uvelelwe ileyo experience, especially being pregnant. And how many months were you that time?
I was 5 months.
5 months.
Yes.
And you did get the child.
Yes.
Uyaphila. Even though angene ku so much trauma.
Mangimthola ngamthi igama ngathi umusa wenkosi.
Yeah.
Because uyi-strength sami, because we've been through a lot mina naye, and he's very strong and uhlakaniphile.
I can imagine, because uhambe through this whole process umphethe. You know, with us women, sometimes a little bit of stress causes a lot of damage.
Yeah, because nalaba benginabo, because bagcina bangimove abathi no, ngoba u-pregnant, ithi sikuse-hospital, kune-section bathi hospital abantu abagulayo. Yes. So mangifika to that section, I thought maybe mangifika ngale kuzoba better. It was my worst nightmare lapha. It was worse because ni mix abanye like bayagula mentally. Omunye usahleli nje afika kushaye. And uzo understand because uyagula.
Yeah.
So most of them, I think 5 of them, by miscarry abantwana babo.
Yes.
So that is why it's mina I'm so blessed. I'm there like yes, because
you're blessed indeed.
Kubhlungu luza umntana, angaze ngayi experience into enjalo, but ngiyababona abantu abadlula through yona.
Yes.
So I feel ukuthi I'm blessed. That is why ngamthi Musa wenkosi, because that time ngitry ukuzibulala ngaphuza 5 packets yamaphilisi are full. Azange kwenzeke next.
So you did try to commit suicide?
I did. kula ngithi ngazama ukuzibulala khona mase ngiphuma eprison mase ngiqala ngihlala phansi sengicabanga kahle sengiprocessa everything ukuthi ngamampela yenzekile lento and I've been through that the trauma the abuse ukudla everything the fear mawulele ukuthi yo abanye bavuka bashonile khona lana eprison so you see zonke zona lezo zinto lezo and ufike to a point you are thinking about i-future yabantwana bakho ukuthi what if it happens ukuthi uyaboshwa because kunabantu ababoshela into abangazazi baba sentence for many years.
You are living proof of that.
I'm a living proof of that. And nginale fear yokuthi what if it happens to me, I don't win this case, what about my kids?
Ayomusa wenkosi ngempela.
What about them? So kwafika la ngithi ngcono ngisibulala and I was selfish because I didn't think for laba abanye. Ngazicabangela mina nalo ongakafika emhlabeni. Kona that time it was tough but ngafila ngathi ngiba selfish.
I think after mayizamile kwenzeka ingaphumelelanga and then when you sit down you start reversing everything.
Yes.
Like okay bengacabangi. I think kuba ileso sikhathi where you feel like because obvious you usejele and you felt like ngisazohlala la.
Yes.
Iminyaka.
Because kunabantu kuzoba nomunye athi yo mina it's been 3 years ngila. Mina ngina 5 years and I'm on trial. So uyabona ukuthi yo lo makakhona ukuhlala boma 7 years kwi trial. Mina ngingo 10 but I think kusebenza umusa kaNkulunkulu kaMampela ukuthi ngidlule kuleyo nto leyo and namanje ngisasho ukuthi kungumusa because ngisaba strong because the case is say ongoing case,
Still an ongoing case.
Yeah, asikakaxoxi asikakabi kwi trial.
With us women, I think the advantage esibanayo most of the time is that we are able to voice out izinto ezisidlayo and
Yes.
whatever engahlali kahle we are able to talk and sometimes we do feel better afterwards. Going to your partner's side, uphume after how long? After you?
Usesephakathi.
Usesephakathi.
It's been 3 years now. Usesephakathi.
So even after sekuchange statement ukuthi you guys will be granted bail, omunye angeke aphume manje omunye uzophuma nini, but they decided to still keep him. Are there any changes that are happening? Gune, any positive feedback that is happening, or it's still the same situation yakho where things have been kept on being postponed?
I still the same situation. It's still the same. Because last Bense court, they said we're gonna sit down for a trial, but by postpone, like lezi zinto zomthetho angizazi mina ukuthi zisebenza kanjani, but sometimes uke wabona mawuboshiwe you feel like excuse kahle kahle le abayenzayo because remember isikhathi imali you using imali kusuka from la yakhona ecourt isikhathi even the mental health yakho because kumele uziprepare mentally mosuka from endlini uthi ngecourt because awazi ukuthi uyohlangabezana nani and ngapha uhlangabezana nefamily the deceased even nayo mayibona thina iyakwata. I can say ukuthi iyakwata because akusimnandi ukulahlekelwa umntwana. So bona mabasibheka bayasho ukuthi umuntu nangu uRoma freely ngaphandle thina wethu umntwana akekho. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo. So like yona ibhlungu for both of us. Mina ibhlungu from my side because angenzanga next. We didn't do anything. It's so sad. And ngapha naye kwelakhe side it's so sad. So I don't know ukuthi makathi sona ufuna someone azomblame na nayo yonke the whole situation.
But even if ufuna someone who's on blame, you can't pin it on people who don't know anything.
Sometimes nginokuthandaza ngithi I just pray uNkulunkulu afike enhlizweni yakhe akhuluma iqiniso.
Yeah.
Ukuthi yazi ngiyabasukela abantwana babantu. Abayenzanga lento leyo. Nokuwisha ukuthi ngathi angaxola athole ipeace. Kufike le nto leya yokuba umzali abe nenembeza afikelwe inimba uthi yazi ibhlungu lento engiyenzayo angali nami ngilahlekelwe but ibhlungu because iqiniso ngiyalazi.
Are you communicating with your partner?
Ngiyacommunicate naye mangiyekhona but akusese i-relationship because sesiside isikhathi phakathi. But ucommunicate kwethu lokuthi sesikhuluma about the case.
Have you tried to have a conversation with him and just find out how is he mentally?
Yeah, last day I received a call. I didn't know ukuthi kuyakubani but it was from him. Then ngambuza ukuthi alright na yena wathi ukuthi alright angazi ukuthi usho ukuthi it is because ufuna ukuba strong or kanjani I don't know. But then we talked about a case ukuthi phela sekunezinto because even not this thing yokuthi there were couches and amaplasma nani to us beyinja leyo nto leyo like sort of ngathi bekuyi statement esisha because they said we statement the malicious damage of property but they didn't say ukuthi yini. Azange sitshela ukuthi mabathi i-property siyidamagile which yini nani. So that time we were sakhuluma naye ukuthi okay manje ngoba khuluma ngama-couch nani like makasitshela what is he worth 50,000. What is he worth 50K. But akuna any evidence yamaphepha like ama-slips or ama-couch like you keep those things mothenga into akithi uyabeka i-receipt ukuthi if anything happens nakusasa i-property yakho uyakhona ukuclaima whatever uyiclaimayo. So azange kube naleyo nto leyo even the pictures maybe ezizokhomba ukuthi vele bashisile this and that akuna evidence because ne-postmortem ithe mayibuyilwa yamayisifundela yathi ubulawe ama-multiple wounds because vele bekashaywa umphakathi it's a mob justice. So but to the statement isikamama sithi ngimgwazile so
Kuhlangana.
yeah.
How has the issue your criminal record affected kanjani? Because I know my criminal record it block out a lot of things.
Yeah, affectile kakhulu because angikhoni ukwenza into eziningi angikhoni ukumaketha. Remember mangizoboshwa bengithi bese ngibhukhe ukwenza i-license ye-firearm and stuff because bengifuna ukuthi from that ngenze security but akwenzekanga konke lokho. Angisakhoni futhi ukukwenza ngendaba ye-criminal record but umuntu engimbonga kakhulu i-boss yami she's been very supportive since from day one because the time bengiboshwa bengimsebenzela until today ngisabambile ama-piece job kuye. Yeah. So nje ngiyambonga ukuthi she's been there in my life ngisupportile ngapha nomamami like bonke abantu abangisurroundile and with my current partner of which ile ngize nayo naye he's been throughout kuyo yonke le situation. because sometimes nokuvuka nje ngivele ngibe emotional
Yeah.
ngafuni next. So uyambona naye ukuthi iyampaina leyo nto leyo,
Sure.
imzisa ubuhlungu.
So even after obvious when your I can call him your ex-partner,
Yes.
aboshiwe, you did manage to tell him ukuthi now you've moved on.
I think uye wazibonela. Angeke ngisho ukuthi ngamtshela because I didn't bengingafuni ukuthi I feel like ngathi I'm being selfish or angazi. But I think uye wazibonela ukuthi lo muntu lo, she's still young, 3 years phakathi. Even if bekuye, I don't think ukuthi bekazolinda like for isikhathi esingaka, because ngimlindile 2 years yonke.
Yeah.
Because now it's a year ngizwana with my current partner, so I think ukuthi ubonile naye ukuthi
So you've never had a conversation about it?
I've never bengafuni ukuthi like naye agcina adistebeka like mentally, because remember uphakathi
Yes.
is different, mina ngaphandle. Yazi abantu abaphakathi sometimes banokufila ngathi masila ngaphandle uphila kamnandi, and ukuboshwa ungaphandle nangaphakathi akuhlukanga, because izinto eziningi zilimited. Angeke ngikhona ukuya eCape Town ngifana nokuthi ngiboshiwe but ngingaphandle. Into engifree ngayo ukuthi ngigeza ngesikhathi sami, ngidla whatever engifuna ukuyidla, angikalelwa isikhathi sokulala ukuthi ngesikhathi esiso kumele ulale.
If you were to given an opportunity to speak with the deceased mother, what would you say?
Ngathi ngiyaxolisa into emvele lo mntanakhe. Ngiyaxolisa ukuthi u-accuse thina for into esingayenzanga, and ngimxolisela ukuthi afuna umuntu angamblame because she's hurting. Uzubuhlungu.
Yes.
Uzubuhlungu, but ngicela acabangele like i-future
Yes.
yethu. Kubuhlungu kona ukuthi umntanakhe ushone after thina sesimove out kwakhe. But sometimes nokufila ngathi ezinye izinto sobe zenziwa uNkulunkulu. If not mina bekumele kube ubani. So ngathanda ukuthi ngixolise kuye kakhulu nanoma ngenza next.
Nami ngiyaxolisa ukuthi you have to go through all of this, especially with a life ngaphakathi kwakho, a life that you should protect, a life that you should always make sure ukuthi uright, udla kahle,
Yes.
uyaphila. It's not an easy journey. Abantu abaningi balahlekelwa yingane bangayanga nasetshele. So imagine what you've went through. And you should always be grateful for that child. Because the way kongakhona uphila ngoba uphilile naye. You've went through a process of taking your life. You wanted to commit suicide, but God said not now. And uphila because of yena. Because angicabanga ukuthi if bowungakhulelwe, there are some things maybe you wouldn't go to your senses. But hey man, this is wrong because bowungakhulelwe around that time. But njengoba usho after the prison, you felt ukuthi impilo yakho reverse back. You seeing things, you start realizing, no, Lana was selfish, Lana was, but I believe good it's because of that soul. Bekakuvula ingqondo ukuthi ubone the bigger picture and understand ukuthi not everything is forever. Some of the things we do face them, but ziyasikhulisa somewhere somehow.
Yes.
But into ebuhlungu is that some of the things they're painful.
Oh, very painful. And ubaba the deceased, I so wish ngathi angakhuluma iqiniso.
Yeah.
And after this incident, kwenzeka the very same thing yenzeka kumama umntwana. Kumama where the deceased babamba some guys to the very same section. Babashaya, one of them washona. Kwaboshwa ubaba umdala, I think lo baba bekanabo 70 something. Waboshwa. On that process aboshwa, the community bebenza i-petition yokuthi bazoya e-court ukuthi uKevin aphume, because they knew about the situation.
Yeah.
Tina, we had ukuthi sibize ama-community leaders sikhulume nawo ukuthi phela nawo umuntu aboshela into engayazi kwenzakalani makwenza so. So the guy bekasincedisa ngayo yonke lonto leyo ukuthi no, ngiyamazi lo bhuti nje uthulile akathandi irasi nani, so thina siyi-community because siyenze sibaningi lento siyi-community asenzeni 1 2 3 so waboshwa lo bhuti, waboshwa lo baba, kwacala kwaba ne-protest, kwaba netoyitoyi. So makuba netoyitoyi kwafika to a point ukuthi i-community seyidemanda the minister of police, because baya egoniwe sekuyi-protest yokuthi sekulwa i-community namaphoyisa, sebadutshulwa ama-rubber bullets and stuff. So sebademanda u-minister of police until kuchamuka but I think ngathi bathumela i-provincial, if I'm not mistaken. Then yaphuma na kwi-Voice of Tembisa, like bekuyinto enkulu because i-community beseyikhathele. Then kwaphuma kweza ne-Voice of Tembisa ba-addressa the issue abantu be-provincial, but no, sesizodeployta amaphoyisa ukuthi akhona ukusebenzisana nani ezinye i-community. But manje I felt ukuthi i-community yenza this thing because manje sekuboshwe one of their community members, because remember thina size sama-tenants.
Yes.
They don't even know us there. Abasazi nokuthi siqhamukaphi. So thina siza sama-tenant, I think azange bayisukumele that much, but manje mase kwenzeka the similar thing to one of their community members yenzeka kubo into beyikuthi nathi si-experienceile kula ba-decide ukuthi ngcono basukume khona, but waphuma loya baba kwasala lo. From there azange basenza anything, bathula bathi do. I think maybe nabo they don't know ukuthi leya nto leya bayenza as bawumphakathi isaqhubeka.
Maybe they don't know.
Maybe bazitshela ukuthi yaphelela lapha emoyeni, abazi ukuthi lo muntu since aboshwa till today usaboshiwa akaphumi namhlanje.
So, but do you think ukuthi, as you said, ukuthi kune possibility ukuthi the policeman Lon Bambile was related to the family yet deceased? Do you think kune motive behind that he's busy doing it? Because as you said, postpone, all of a sudden things changed. Do you think there's a motive behind ukuthi Kelvin maybe ahlale isikhathi eside in jail or what?
Angazi, I wouldn't tell. I think ngoba angazi ngizothi bayasilaya. I don't know. Angazi, because angeke ngisho ukuthi kahle why benza so.
Yeah.
Because nami leyo ukuthi he's the family anginasho ngayo. I don't even angikho sure. But the community bayamazi banokumbona yalapha, they know ukuthi uyifamily. So nje sometimes mongazi next ufike endaweni, I think bathatha naleyo advantage because bavele bathi hayi sizokwenza so senze so, because namanje ngifila ngathi ivele yasijikela i-community because yiba benze yonke lento le. They were supposed to ukuthi as a community bame babambisane nathi. so angazi ukuthi why benza so angazi.
I'm so sorry that you went through all of this. But angeke ngiqamba amanga. You are a very strong lady. By the time uxoxa story sakho, angicabanga ukuthi ngingasurvive ne-hour.
Yo,
You know?
yazi nami mangizoboshwa. Yazi sometimes ukungena ngento ongayazi ejele ne kubhlungu.
Yes.
Because awazi nokuthi kumele ureact kanjani, ube strong or kanjani. So for me ngaba nalento ukuthi yo ilanga li1 ngizoshona la. Angiboni ukuthi ngizoyisurvive yonke lento leyo. Ukuthi bakuvuse ekseni ucline ijele while pregnant. Yo uvuka ngo3 uyageza. Sometimes ugeza ngamanzi abandayo. Mohamba yesikalini bakufasa ama-chain abantu esibhedlela mabakubheka istigma sabo uyazi ukuthi sinalento ukuthi yo lo inkulu lento ayenzile and thola ukuthi sometimes omunye nje uboshelwe i-assault. Angisho ukuthi i-crime ingcono kunenye. I-crime umoshile but istigma sabantu nanoma uphuma sometimes nginokuhlangana nabo like emidrand. Last ngahlangana nomama with the deceased post office. Ngathuka ngashawa uvalo. Ayikuthi ngishawa uvalo lokuthi maybe ngifila guilty or ngashawa uvalo ukuthi makakhona ukuthi ngibulela umntana wakhe azi ukuthi angimbulelanga. What if uyaphinda uthi nangu lo muntu uyangilandela ngila e-post office ula naye. Angisafili free and wazi ukuthi sisebenzisa imall A1 masihlangana e-Mall of Thembisa. Let's say sihlangana e-Shoprite. Angeke acabanga ukuthi ngoba i-Shoprite uzofila ngathi why aza kule ela e-Shoprite. Because ukhonile ukuthi ayovula icase athi simbulela umntana wakhe singambulela alazi iqiniso. So yini ezomhlula ukuthi enze nale ukuthi bayangistalka labantu labo uyangistalk uyangilandela. So sometimes I live in fear.
Yeah. Like so sabuqanjelwa nje amanga out of the blue and amanga that can destroy impilo yakho.
And you know amanga it doesn't matter ukuthi mancane or makhulu. Amanga makwamanga ubona ukuthi azokudestroyela impilo. Ayayenzeka.
No. Ngiyabonga kakhulu sisi for coming and sharing your story. I think we always read about abantu who are in situations where they have been arrested for things they didn't do.
And you know nami mangizokhuluma ngesami it was ngibone esikabhudi. Like bengibukele ubhudi I think beka yi guest.
Yes.
So uthe makakhuluma ngathi yo yazi lo bhudi lo ukhuluma into eyenzeke similar to me.
Yeah.
And mina ngibuye as like ngiya comment ukuthi yo yazini sometimes sidlula ezintweni.
Yeah.
And omunye umuntu makabhekile estradini uzobona ngathi uphila kamnandi. Kanti akazi ukuthi ubhekana nani.
Yeah. Thank you so much for coming.
Bonga mina ukuthi ninghost.
Bonga thina and bakhona baningi I think this episode izoletha closure kwabanye to say ukuthi angekho yi1 you know. This is an episode that can tell ukuthi a simple lie or just a small lie can destroy impilo yomuntu.
Yeah.
All of it. And I think another concern I have is the justice system that we have.
Eish.
It doesn't go the correct route esikhathini esiningi. It's all about because I'm related to the family or I'm friends with then kusetshenziswa ama emotions ukuthi oh if uzibani uthi then I'm ngivalela labantu and it shouldn't be like that.
Yes.
But ngiyabonga kakhulu sithandwa sami and sibonge nomusa wenkosi sithakhule abe strong semhlabeni la usikhombile already ukuthi
Yeesh.
u-strong.
Oh, strong.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Ngiyabonga.
Thank you so much.
Bonga baby.
All right. That's the end of it for today's episode, and we'll catch you next week, same time, same place. Bye bye.